think a lot of times people are like, oh, improvisers have to like think super fast and come up with like wild ideas. And the cool thing I think is like it's all skills that you have, and it's just learning how to use them. Each of your sentences after that first one, you're going to start it with the phrase yes and. You'll kind of have your eyes light up, yes and blah, blah, blah. Sarah and I can do a quick example if you want. If you want to do the first sentence, remember that time we went anywhere, yeah.
Okay, do you remember that time that we went scuba diving?
Yes, and the water was so clear.
Yes, and you trod on a starfish.
Yes, and then my foot started swelling up.
Yes, and we had to go up quickly to get a Band-Aid.
Yes, and you threw me back out of the water into the boat.
Yes, and you made such a big splash.
Yes, and there was like a ton of water in the boat.
Yes.